Hey everyone, today we're excited to announce a powerful new feature, template sharing. With this new feature, team members can now easily share their own custom data mapping templates, so your team only needs to do the data mapping once. This means better efficiency, less repetitive work, and smoother collaboration. Let's dive in and see how it works. Previously, we introduced the ability to create a custom data mapping template, which makes it easy to visually map Excel data to your PDF form fields. You could save that template for yourself and reuse it anytime. But what if your team members needed to do the same task? Did they have to redo all those mapping steps from scratch? Not anymore. With the new template sharing feature, once a custom template is created, it can be shared with the entire team. Here's how it works. Step 1. Preview your custom template and make sure it's ready to share. Step 2. Click the template sharing icon to generate the access information. Step 3. Click Copy, and then share the access info with your teammates. Once your team member receives the access info, they can preview any template. Click the template sharing icon and paste the access info. Click Apply to apply the shared mapping to their current template. They can then review it, make any adjustments, and hit Save once it's good to go. Or, if it's not quite right, they can continue editing. Or just click Cancel to discard changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your whole team can use a shared mapping template, saving time, reducing manual effort, and keeping your data consistent. Thanks for watching. Embrace the ease of automated PDF form filling and transform your data processing workflow today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful updates. See you in the next video.